Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video, we will see how to proactively hunt for threats in Azure Sentinel. Let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I'm logged on to the work. I'm logged onto the portal, and this is Azure Sentinel. So, let's say if you are an investigator who wants to be proactively about looking for security threats, Azure Sentinel powerful hunting search and query tools to hunt for security threat across the organizational data sources. But the system and security appliances would generate tons of data that can be difficult to parse and filter into meaningful events. To help security analysts look proactively for new anomalies that weren't detected by the security apps, Azure Sentinel built-in hunting queries guide us into asking the right questions to find issues in the data we already have on our network. So, right, we have built-in queries. To get started, a starting page provides preloaded query examples designed to get started and get familiar with the tables in the query language. We have powerful query language with IntelliSense, which is built on top of a query language that gives us the flexibility we need to take hunting to the next level. We can also create our own bookmarks. During the hunting process, we may come across matches or findings, dashboards, or activities that look unusual or suspicious. In order to mark those items so we can come back to them in the future, we need bookmarks functionality. We can use notebooks to automate investigation. We can query the stored data. For example, we can query process creation, DNS events, and many more other types. We can get started with hunting by clicking on Azure Sentinel, and if you see this option under threat management, you click on hunting. All right, when you open the hunting page, all the hunting queries written by Microsoft team of security analysts as well as any additional query if you created that or modified would come under this. Each query provides a description of what it hunts for and what kind of data it runs on. These templates are grouped by their various tactics. The icons on the right categorize the type of threat. So if I do this, see discovery tactics, discovery, command and control, credential access, and what kind of data it runs on. These templates are grouped by their various tactics. The icons on the right, such as initial access, persistence, and Excel filtration. We can filter these hunting query templates using any of the fields. We can save any query to the favorites. By saving a query to the favorites, the query automatically runs each time the hunting page is accessed. All right. So total queries are 199. I have not run any queries. If I click on this query, I can run a specific query. Like it would be high reverse DNS count. If you do this, DNS domain links to WannaCry ransomware campaign. These are all built-in queries. PowerShell or non-browser mailbox login activity. So we can run any query, just selecting is new admin account activity seen which has was not seen historically. We can just run this query here. You see that it is loading. The result is 0, and you click on here, view results. This is a pre-written query. It is completed, no result found. And if you want to mark this as a favorite, you can just go back like this. Come this side, and you can, when you do this, this would now become favorite. So anytime I log on to the hunting console, this would run automatically and show me the results, right? But I don't want to do it, so I uncheck this. right? And you don't have to click on save after marking any query as your favorite. You just check it, it will be auto saved. You will uncheck it, it will be auto saved. And if you want to add a bookmark to this query, let's say you click on view results again. Run again. No results. And here you click on bookmarks. No bookmarks were found. Hunting bookmarks would enable Azure Sentinel users to save, tag, and share and investigate, right? So how does it work? Select a hunting query for the Azure Sentinel page and view query results. In hunting query results, to view the result in log analytics, use the checkbox to select one or more rows that contain the information, and you add a bookmark, right? So let's say these are the total queries. These are the total queries. Why am I not able to click on logs? Okay, let me refresh it. I'm sorry. Right. So you go to hunting, and if you run, right. So if this query would have given any result, then I would have added a bookmark to the row and would start investigating. All right. So how would a sample query look like? So a sample query typically starts with a table name followed by a series of operators separated by the pipe sign, right? And then you save a query that, let's say you cancel it. So if you type in a new query here, right, you name the query. So you, let's say you type in same hunting query, same hunting query. Then you type in a custom query. Let's say you type in security event and you do this and you type in, right. So you select, let's say I do select this, two selected, this one, evaluation. I mean, you write this query and then you click on create. I'm not able to, and then you can do the process again. Right? And let's say, so this is a hunting query. And now if you want to clone the query, you can clone the existing query and use it. Right, so I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any queries, please mention them in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.